Hi mga langga! Susamahan nyo kami sa mga ganap-ganap for today's video. Sa mga bago po pala sa page ko, ako po si Mommy Rain, a solo parent to 3 boys whose dad grew a pair of wings way back 2019. And this is my solo parenting journey. Hi! Hi! Kinsa? So I went to Isaiah School that day for their recognition day kahit na hindi naman siya kasama sa recognition. Magulo ba? Basta nilaagra ko, to catch up with some friends, especially those hindi ko naman madalas makita, ganun. And of course, para mamit din ni Kael yung mga dati niyang classmates from grade 6 because most of his classmates were enrolled here. And since wala na namang pasok si Kael that day, parang clearance na lang, I told him to meet me there. Actually, tinanong ko din sa Isaiah if he wants to come with us and he said no. Siguro sa isip na Isaiah, anong gagawin ko doon? Di naman ako kasali sa recognition, ganun. So ayan na nga, yung iba pang mga dating classmates ni Kael, saka napapansin ko parang nagkakahiyaan na sila. Well, siguro ganun talaga kasi hindi na sila madalas magkita. So anyway, nagkayayaan after. Parang ang usapan nung una is magmumall lang to celebrate, ganun. So anyway, sabi ko kay Kael, sumama na din kami at makaselebrate. Kahit na wala man siyang award sa school, the fact that he survived his first year in the big school is enough reason already to, celebrate and just be grateful in general. So dito kami napadpad sa may About the Kitchen at medyo layo-layo dito sa sentro. Actually, I was a bit hesitant when they said na dito kami pupunta kasi alam ko medyo mahal dito. Not mahal-mahal. You know what I mean? Not budget-friendly, ganun. But for the experience nga daw, ganun. Because as you can see, ang ganda talaga ng location nila dito. Like, overlooking siya. Lalo na kapag gabi, as in, kita mo lahat ng city lights sa baba. So, it is really worth the pakyaw sa jeep, ganun. Actually, it wasn't my first time here. Like, I've been here before nung kakabukas pa lang nila. But unfortunately, they weren't able to cater us kasi puno na. Parang hindi kami nakapagpa-reserve. Kaya kanina, while we were on our way here, we already called them up para to ask if they can cater us. And yun na nga, we had our reservations para sure ba kay medyo layo-layo na ba yun siya sa kao, no? Well, in fairness naman sa foods nila dito, malalaki yung servings. Like, you can basically share it with everyone. And I've said that their food isn't cheap here, but the price is reasonable naman. And considering the spectacular view you have while you enjoy your food with your family and friends, I must say that it is really worth it naman. I was actually hoping to come back here with Aiki and Isaiah kasi yun nga, hindi sila nakasama sa amin that day. And even the first time we went here, hindi ko rin sila kasama that time. Si Kailan din ang kasama ko that time. So yeah, hopefully I can take them here also. Pero yun nga, medyo mahirap kasi hindi siya accessible. So, mahirap kapag wala kang car. Nagkataon lang kanina na medyo madami kami. Kaya ayun, nagpakyaw kami ng jeep para ihatid kami dito.
Oo, mag-aayaw.
Birahin mo.
Birahin mo.
Nahurot.
Oh.
So, bale, eto yung view namin habang kumakain. Actually, kanina, kasi nga maaga pa nung dumating kami, medyo mainit pa. We wanted to eat inside. Kasi nga naka-aircon, ganun. Kaso, puno na daw sa taas. So, we have no choice but to eat here. And actually, we are glad we did because wala pa siguro mga 30 minutes after we arrived there. Ninaog na ang adlaw. What's that in Tagalog? Parang nag-sunset na ba? So, hindi na siya ganun kainit dun banda. And yeah, we had a better view. So yeah, it was a fun night. I know everyone had a great time, especially the kids. Parang sobrang na-enjoy nila yung place. Kaka-picture everywhere, ganun. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching our video. And please do us a favor and hit like, share, and subscribe. Follow. And of course, kita-kits sa mga vlog. Bye-bye!